Hi, my name is India. I'm a junior here at Concordia University Irvine. My major is sports business with an emphasis on marketing, and I am currently standing in a newly renovated Schroeder Library and Learning Commons, where students have an access of variety to some different support systems to help them throughout their years here at Concordia, ranging from the writing studio, career services, disability access services, and even academic advisors. Your academic advisors are not only here to help you with your schedule, but also here to help you be acclimated with your different classes and help you to find resources here on campus for those classes. Next to our Academic Advising Center, we also have our Disability Access Services. Our Disability Access Services is here to serve our students for not only learning accommodations, but also residential accommodations too. And next to our Disability Access Services and our Academic Advising Center, we have the Career Services. Our Career Services serve students with helping them with their interviews, skills, internships, and even resume skills, not only while in school, but while they're graduating here at Concordia too. They also provide an app called Handshake that we use here at Concordia, where you can see the different on-campus jobs here. In addition to Handshake, we also have an electronic board here at the Career Services where you can see different job postings here on campus. Next to Career Services, we also have our writing studio. Not only are they here to help you format essays, but they're also here to help you develop as critical thinkers. In the writing studio, we also offer different tutoring services where you can sign up free of charge in either group sessions or individual sessions. These tutoring services are here to help you in any subject area needed. The Learning Commons also include the Unity Center, where they serve all students here at Concordia. Student-led clubs also often meet in the Unity Center to have different meetings and different events here held on campus. One of my favorite events here that was held in the Unity Center was game night that was partnered with Nuestra Voz and Black Student Union. Downstairs, we also have our library where students can go check out our book or even reserve study spaces in group sessions or individual sessions. In the library, there's also new furniture where you can either go chill with your friends or also do homework in a group setting. The newest addition to our library is the Schroeder Library Annex. This is an extension to the library that can also be used for different events. The Schroeder Library and Learning Commons is a place where students can access different services for their success here at Concordia.